You are a technology enthusiast and own an electric vehicle. However, you are concerned about extended travels due to the battery restricted range of activities. Don't worry, there are Station X to meet the demands of traveling flexibly and conveniently. No more unsteady on the roads with you.
Station X is a company specializing in providing charging solutions, with the goal to not only educate people about the importance of using clean energy, but also promote the image of friendly Vietnam. We take environmental protections as a top priority. Come to us, you will have 3 options to choose from. First one, ordinary battery charging station. Second, fast charging station. And third, battery rental station.
The objective of our firm is toward a simple and cost-effective design, but still meet the needs of customers with international standard fast charging technology. So, how can our consumers pay for the service when using it? If you are a Vietnamese citizen, you can use the citizen identity card with a trip to prove your identification and pay for the service, or you can pay in cash right away. If you are a foreign citizen vacationing, studying, or working in Vietnam, you can utilize the Visa or MasterCard scanning technique. Pick up the phone and call Station X hotline for free consultation today. Station X, the value of trust accumulation.